Hey, if you want to update drivers on the Windows 11, first of all, you'll have to move into the taskbar, open Start, and from here, type Device Manager phrase. So you have to open this control panel feature. Now let's make it bigger. And now when you take a look on the left side, let's say that I want to update drivers of my GPU. So I have to go for the display adapters. That's my graphic card. I have to click with the right mouse button on it, and then I have to click to update the driver. Now I can browse my computer for the new drivers, but I can also search for the internet by clicking for the first option. And as you can see, it looks like I have the latest version of the drivers. So also we can do this for your mouse, for your keyboard, for example, for your processor. You can quickly check it by clicking with the right mouse button and tapping on the update driver. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.